Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel again and again. I'm today so excited, especially in this video, because I will explain you how can trade whale wallets to trade like a professionals. Yeah, doesn't matter at the traditional tokens, at the meme coin and other categories. Doesn't matter. Just track whale and buy which token they bought and sell which tokens they sold. That's it. Let's get started. First of all, sure, you need to coinmarket.com if you want to take a look some other tokens. For example, if you have watch list and you can see their together, their tokens together, and you can analyze immediately. You can analyze high frequently them using Arkham and Zeren.io. Don't forget about that. I will provide you at the comments as a pinned message, and you can find out them at the description or comments. I don't know. You will see after watching this video, sure. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe our channel and smash the like button if you want to support us. Yes, first of all, for example, I just need to take a look traditional tokens, for example, Solana. Solana is also strong token, strong cryptocurrency project, and it has its own 800 billion, not 800, 82 billion market cap, and that's why I think, and you think also, Solana's whales one of the most popular and strongest, yes, strongest whales in the world. That's why today in this video I'm gonna choose Solana to test into the Arkham and Zerion. First of all, what you need to do, just click that and click platform. You will see platform.arkhamintelligence.com. Don't worry, I will directly provide you this link, and then just click in there. Let me a little bit second. Don't click token. Click this little bit icon. Search for the token, Solana, and you will see Solana. If you are seeing anything, there's no problem. Just you need to click search for people, funds, exchange, and some other things. Just put Solana into there and take a look. Tokens area solved. And you can price history, trading view, on-chain exchange flow. It's at the same time it's also valuable statistics and data, but it's not a topic of this video. And we need to take a look transaction. If you are seeing, you just refresh the page. Probably Arkham Intelligence have any no information about that, or probably it will be updated after the little bit seconds. For example, just showing in this video, I'm choosing Ethereum. Ethereum also has huge and strongest whales. For example, you are seeing Ethereum into the year. For example, if you are checking just whales, you need to filter this transaction. For example, $2 Ethereum from Binance hot wallet. It's not so matter for us. That's why just click little icon side of USD, and you need to more wider arrays. That's why, for example, $10,000 from 10,000 to no maximum. For example, layer 0 airdrop. That is the, yes, that is the Ethereum whale address. But it's not so acceptable. For example, that's the address. From this address to Bybit hot wallet. That means the wallet will be withdrawal, will be sell this own Ethereum into the there. And if you wanna see a lot more, just click that. And not. It's not so huge. It's not so huge. And yes, that is the we are catching also plausible. From Coinbase to Wintermute. Probably you know Wintermute is market making company after cryptocurrency, and that's the gate.io's market maker from Coinbase. Interesting. But it's just information, and we got in this video immediately, and that happened just 4 minutes ago. Right now it happens, and you are just seeing what happens into the background of Ethereum, and some other tokens is using the same way. And then click again. Flow traders. We need to just personal wallet address like this, but it's not a so huge amount. We need a huge amount, and it's gonna take a lot of time. That's why I make it that. Yes, 4 million Kraken hot wallet to this address. Just copy link and then just paste it here to get this address. And yes, right now we are at zeronet.io to analyze this portfolio of this address. Click explore and then pass this wallet address, which one Kraken to send Ethereums to there. And yes, Ethereum, Spooky token, AnySwap. That's the probably most of the whales, or I don't know. Maybe it can be Kraken's other sub wallet, but probably we are seeing into the there, but it's not Kraken hot wallet because as you can see from my screen, Arkham had already is named of this wallet, Kraken hot wallet, but it's not. Probably it's browser wallet typically and specifically personal browser wallet, and that means yes, we are found huge whale, and we need to take a look some other things. For example, click history. Yes, receive 1 million Ethereum from this address. This address probably Kraken hot wallet, which one we are seeing in the there, and you can take alerts or download CSV, but the feature is available only in premium. Yeah, you can just take a look. For example, execute. That's a withdraw or co-protocol. If you are seeing any centralized or decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, that means the whale will sell its own assets. Right now we are seeing Ethereum, for example. Yeah, that's millions Ethereum. If you are seeing to sending central or decentralized exchange, that means we can see a little bit selling pressure on the price action. But on the other tokens, which one has million or 10 million, 20 million market cap, and we will see into the wallet address, their whale wallet addresses, huge amounts of selling. Absolutely, it's also reasonable and plausible reason for us to click sell or sell our whole amount of assets. Absolutely, it's not a financial investment advice. Yeah, that's it. We are taking a look ArkhamIntelligence.com and Zerion.io. I showed up you how can you track whales addresses and their behaviors, and how can you find out Ethereum and other cryptocurrency whale addresses. That's it. I hope you are learning something and you are learning how can you track whale addresses to trade, to buy, sell, and seeing behaviors at the background after watching this video. If you are learn something in this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, and turn notifications on to support us. See you on the next bullish time.